preparation. Our meeting place is XPC Hall. Our meeting time is 11:20 a.m. Our group was formed on 2006 by staff 14. Our facilitator is Assistant Kamalaman and our SQC coordinator is Assistant Rasma Maharja sir. And you can see our group logo and group photo in the slide. Our case study and some of them were brainstorming, pie chart, TPN analysis, and rest of them you can see in the slide. Our first activity was milestone chart. Milestone chart is also known as plan chart or activity chart, in which we had planned the activity and the time when we are going to perform those activities, which you can see in the slide. After that, we did brainstorming. In brainstorming, we listed our problems, and some of the problems are poor handwriting, e-grace, talking in Nepali, 11th hour preparation, and rest of them you can view in the slide. Then also we have done Python and which you can see in the slide. After that, we did Barton matrix. In Barton matrix subjects, we had listed down the characters of our problem and take out these gaps, CF and CF present, which you may observe in the slide. Then we have also done line graph of success, which you may see in the slide. Definition of problem. Our main problem is 11th hour preparation. In 11th hour preparation, students do not concentrate on their studies. They only play with their mobile phones. They do not obey to their teachers, parents and elders, and they prepare their work at the last moment, which can observe in the slide. After that, we did set target. In set target, our main problem was 11th hour preparation. The current number of students suffering from set target were 35. We set our target to 28, which can observe in this slide. Then after we have done Fishbone diagram, in which we have listed out some of the causes of the problem, such as not giving time, not responsible, etc., which can see in the slide. After that, we did certification of the causes of the Discover diagram. On certification of the causes of the Discover diagram, we have listed our causes of our main problem, 11th hour preparation, and divided those causes into 3 categories: A for total solvable, B for partial solvable, and C for non solvable, which you may observe in the slide. After that, we did stratified of the identified causes. On stratified of identified causes, we have listed out some root causes, and some of the root causes are laziness, not obeying to teachers, elders, and parents, and rest of them you can view in the slide. Why analysis, laziness, why e-grace, why to get entertainment, and it's our main root cause, and rest of them you can see in the slide. Then after we have done checks of root cause, in which we have listed out some of the root causes of the problem, such as wanting independence, to get entertainment, etc., which can see in the slide. After that, we did Barton matrix. In Barton matrix, we have listed down the characters of our problem and take out the CF, CF and CF present, which may observe in the slide. And we have also done Barton chart, which may observe in the slide. Barton analysis. Our main root cause was lack of seriousness, which has got 61.818%. We have got other main 2 root causes, but if we solve our lack of seriousness, then our problem can be easily solved, which you can observe in this slide. Then after we have done major root causes to tackle, in which we have some of the root causes of problems we have to tackle, such as lack of seriousness, to get entertainment, etc., which can see in the slide. After that, we did decided countermeasures, and some of the decided countermeasures to solve our problems were essay competition, speech competition, and rest of them you are observed in the slide. 5W1 chart. Why? Speech competition. Why? To reduce the problem on 11th hour preparation. Who? The group members of Dreamers. When? Inside the classroom. When? 2076 4/28 Tuesday at 11:20 a.m. How? By conducting essay competition, by conducting speech competition on 11th hour preparation, which you may observe in the slide. After that, we also did implementation, which you may observe in the slide. Then after the total number of students who are suffering from 11th hour preparation was 35, then we reduced the problem into 28, which can see in the slide. After that, we list down some problems faced during our case study. We had faced various problems during our case study, and some of them were no cooperation among members, no proper device, and rest of them you can observe in the slide. Through SQC, I learned to establish my opposing point of view. Through SQC, I learned to develop my communication skill. Through SQC, I developed my working skill. Any queries?
So, which part indicates what? त्यो क्लियर छैन है यति भागमा 80% लेखेको छ अर्को भागमा 80% बट वाट दोज पर्सेन्ट इन्डिकेट्स यु हेभ नट रिटन ओभर देयर है कुड यु प्लिज एक्सप्लेन द्याट वान विच पार्ट सोज वाट
Represents our second main problem. It is plain mobile phone, and 128 degree represents our main problem, main root causes, and that is lack of seriousness, and 34% represents wanting independence, which is our third main root cause.
So it would be better if you make one index over there and you can
It should be percentage. Okay. There are many errors in other slides also. Little bit technically, you should be sound. Okay.
you would not see clearly, so keep that in mind, okay? And I think all your members are not present today, right?